Hey guys, welcome to the channel once again. Today we continue with the maintenance of the 2022 Yamaha Grizzly 90. Today we have an air filter. Here it is.
Let me just show.
It's a new air filter.
Look.
Okay. And then we have the air filter oil. So we're going to replace the... What we're going to replace? The air filter.
Air filter?
Okay, so I got my son in the camera. So he's recording me right now.
Oh god. Okay, let me just show him that.
Okay, make sure you get all these right here. We're going to, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to open the...
Open sesame.
We're going to take the seat off. Okay, we're going to put the seat right here. Okay guys, so here we got the seat off already. And here we have the air filter. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do, I'm going to get closer a little bit so they can see it. We're going to take this right here. We're going to go like that. And we're going to take this other one right here. Go like that. We're going to pull this up. And then this is going to come out like this. You see? Okay. It's a little dirty, so we might clean it a little bit. Here we have the air filter. Okay.
Hold on. I think they can see it.
Alright, so here it is. You see how dirty it is? Okay. So we're going to replace it with this one right here, and I hope it fits. Okay, you can see this one is dirty. They can see it?
Yep. It's so dirty.
It is dirty.
So does it get dirty from that thing that you just...
From the air.
Oh, from the air?
Yeah, the air that goes in there. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna open these. Yeah, it's the same filter. You can see. It's the same filter.
Nice. Which means it's gonna
fit in there. You can see it fits in there. Perfect. So what we're gonna do is like we are going to apply some of this stuff. Okay, this is a K&N air filter oil. Okay, so we're gonna apply a little bit. Okay.
And then hold. Can I show them what you're doing?
From there, you can show them from there.
Okay.
Okay, so we're applying a little bit.
Whoa! Isn't that cool, guys?
Guys, if you have any questions or any suggestions on what I'm doing, let us know, right?
In the comments below.
Okay, so we have it here. We're gonna put it right there, as you can see. And then we're gonna come with this one right here.
Put it back.
And we're gonna put it back. Okay, so we're gonna go.
We're gonna put everything back.
We're gonna go that way, straight like this.
And guys, this is pretty easy, guys.
There you go. Then we're gonna put it like this. Let's see if it haven't fit in there. There it is. Now we put it in right there. Then we're gonna close this right here. And then we're gonna close this other one.
Make sure all of them are closed.
There it is.
Then we're gonna put back the seat, right?
Hold on, let me clean right there. Wait for me.
Okay. Now guys, let me show you all this. Look at this
We got some of these
stuff. Blue paper.
Come on, get it right here. Now we got some blue paper. We're gonna clean a little bit right here. A little bit right here. So it
Wait,
looks...
I want to see how dirty it is though.
How dirty is what?
This.
No, it's not that dirty. Alright, so I think it's ready to go. What do you think?
Does it look like it?
Yeah, it does look like it. So now we're gonna put this one right here.
Gonna put it back.
There it is. Oof, there it is.
Oh.
Okay, so we are ready to go. Now we just need to wait for the spark plug so we can replace the spark plug, okay? Hey guys, today we're gonna continue working on the Grizzly 90. My son is not here today, but I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. We're going to replace that the spark plug today, and it's an easy job. What you're gonna do is like we're gonna remove the negative terminal from the battery. There it is. And then we're gonna use this tool that it comes with the Grizzly 90. Anyway, so we're gonna put this right here, and then we're gonna turn it this way. Okay, so I'm gonna remove the spark plug. I'm gonna show it to you, and then we're gonna put a new one. Okay. Okay guys, so here is the spark plug. It's pretty bad, as you can see right here. I don't know if you can see because the camera is not focusing, but you know, it's pretty bad, as you can see right there. And here we got the new one, and this one is pretty new. I mean, it's new. Okay, so we're gonna install it, we're gonna turn it on, and we'll see how it performs. Okay, cool. Okay guys, so there it is, the new spark plug already in the engine. So we're gonna turn it back, turn the bike on. There's the negative contactor in the battery. So we're gonna turn it on and see if it's working. Yeah, pretty much turn it on right away. Okay, so this is the like I said, this is the Grizzly 90. We just changed the spark plug. Easy job, okay? And it's ready to go. I mean, like, it's been a little cold, not too cold, but I mean it's ready to go, you see? All right, so thank you for watching, guys. And like I said, make sure you keep this ATV maintenance. And yeah, it's a pretty nice ATV. We're having a lot of fun with this ATV. Alright, I think this is gonna be over for the maintenance of the videos that we've been doing. Thank you for watching. Remember, like, comment, and subscribe for more. See you in the next video, guys.